Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Never eat soggy waffles. Yep, you heard me right. Never eat soggy waffles. Now, this is something that I used to teach my kids the directions on the compass rose. Now, if you look at a compass rose, I want you to think about a clock. Start at the 12 o'clock of the clock, which is up at the top. That's going to be your never, or north. Then work your way down to 3 o'clock, which would be eat, or east. Then down to the 6 o'clock, which would be soggy, or south. And then to the 9 o'clock, which would be waffles, or west. Never eat soggy waffles. North, east, south, west. There you go. Till next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.